Another beautiful sunset here in Florida. We are now offering our sailing charter business for sale here in Longboat Key. Longboat Key is the place to be with 10 miles of paradise with teal blue waters. We are 20 minutes from the Sarasota Airport, between Anna Maria Island to the north and Siesta Key to the south. Over the years, we have been asked if we would ever sell our business. Well, now is that time to stop shoveling your driveways and get out of your office cubicles to take on a lifestyle change that you will absolutely love.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song, sing you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips, tell them all to sail away, just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. If I lived 1,000 lives, I'd spend them all with you beside. Never-ending deja vu, never-ending days with you. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Oh, life is wonderful. Oh, life is wonderful. Never understood how life can be this good. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood. Life can be this good.
Our dream can now be your reality. All the work has been done for you, with the return customer rate about 40% in this very upscale market. This business is so exciting. You will meet people from all over the world, never a dull day, lots of beautiful sunsets. Our 5-star TripAdvisor ratings and first page Google keeps us the #1 things to do in Longboat Key. For more information, contact Catherine at 941-893-9590. Check out our website, www.catherinesfloridacharters.com.